Today's Wednesday, April 12th. Final Bout starts on Friday, April 14th, and as most of you guys know, this car is supposed to be driving in Final Bout. This has been my job for like a while. I've had a day job, but my job with this car has been get it to Final Bout. Last year, around this time, we decided to go to Villains with Cory and do an event, and the clutch catastrophically blew up, and it blew the bell housing completely like into bits. It was gone. And over the last month, we've found so many new issues that nobody was expecting, as you do with cars, but this situation has been extra gnarly. Now we have 2 days left. We still need to do paint. Luckily, I've been here all morning. I've got things pretty well prepped. I'm about to start sanding it to get it ready for paint. I mean, ready, yeah. I don't know if we have any footage or pictures of this thing when it was wrecked, but a week ago, 5 days ago, this thing was ruined. And Sam Squinch has put a lot of work into it. I welded a couple of pieces onto it, and he pulled and pulled and pulled. It's been a crazy month. We held a drift event last weekend, and it went fantastic, and I feel like I haven't even been able to process it, because this has been a huge weight on me. Everything's plugged in on the wiring harness. We should be able to plug the battery in, and it should start, but it's a car, dude. It could have any number of issues, and I'm really just crossing my fingers that I did a decent enough job with this thing that it just works. To give you guys an idea of how ridiculous this timeline is, paint needs 24 hours until you should touch it. Realistically, you probably shouldn't touch it for a few days, but that's not gonna happen. So we need to paint this stuff tonight because we have to have the car together tomorrow, because I have a working interview on Friday before Final Bout, and Cory's gonna pick it up by the time I'm at work. Basically, if stuff doesn't get painted tonight and the car can't start, things are gonna look really, really, really bad. Also, we need to build Cory a set of wheels because he doesn't have wheels for this car right now. So we're letting him use a set of fronts that Dad has, and then we're gonna build him a set of rears to run in the back for Final Bout. We gotta build some rear wheels too, so those need 24 hours to cure before we can put tires on them. And yeah, I keep forgetting about the wheels that we have to build. This is gonna be some crazy stuff. Wish me luck, everybody. James, his belt, dude.
He drives a nice car.
Takes that belt school, boy. Then we'll talk.
Sounds like my PE teacher's fucking Honda Accord, dude. Sneezed. No boost. Oh, that was NA, dude. That was full NA.
Yeah, naturally aspirated. It's Saturday, the 15th, which means it's Final Bout. We're not at Final Bout, but the JZX is done. We managed to pull this off somehow. Lots of no sleep. You can't see anything. We'll show you the truck with stuff later. It is a miracle this car is on the trailer and we're making it to Final Bout. These wheels fit crazy. We got lucky with those.
Things going, James?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing much better today.
I can tell. Those drinks at dinner rejuvenized you?
No, it wasn't the drinks. It's the fact that Cory's car works now.
I know, dude. He took me out for a rip. Fucking third-year entries never felt so good.
Hell yeah, that makes me happy.
It worked really well, though. Like, really well.
Yeah, so we got to Final Bout yesterday. We arrived late, and then Cory's car had some sort of issue the entire day. It turned out just to be an engine ground, which we got at like noon. Oh, and a map sensor, which we had at noon, but we never installed.
Did you see the concrete fucking...
Yeah, dude, I saw you go off. That was impressive.
It was fucked.
You went off hard.
Yeah. It's super slick in there, like way slicker than last time.
Yeah.
So like when I throw it in really hard, I just got into it and it just sucked me down all the way.
I'll just give you a good gap.
Give me a little bit of room on the initiation.
Yeah, that's the one I've been washing out, so I'll be up.
And then once I'm like kind of set in my way, you can creep in.
I'll be creeping, bro.
Keep it on the low.
Cory had a 3-piece sticker on his car. Now it's the Pies sticker. Dude, that makes me the happiest fucking dude.
Naomi was like, we have another one. She's like, you want to swap it up for the new one? I was like, no.
Every time I see that, dude, it makes me so happy.
Pack the door handle.
I think it's in the floorboard. Well, it looked good at least once. We have proof.